Weet je dat je vanuit een kaartel is?
Ja.
Is opgevallen. En die loopt zo door, hè? En waar gaat je dan aan doen?
So here we are on a new video about the Corvette C3, and there were some issues with the electrical installation, and we are trying to find it if some rodents didn't mess up with the wires. So, like I told before, there are some electrical issues, and we don't know if some rodents messed up with the wires, and that is why we are looking behind the dashboard, but we have to be very careful not to crack it, because it's a very tedious job. And of course the dashboard is about more than 40 years old, so I will show you what we already did. Did some preparing work and already unscrewed a lot of screws, like you will see. So we unscrewed those screws, the bolts at the bottom of the steering column. Then we unscrewed those bolts here for the steering column, so that you can move it. I will try to show it with one hand, filming and doing the work here. See, you can move the steering column, and then there are some screws that we unscrewed, one here, another one here, then 3 at the top of the dashboard, and then further excuse me, 2 bolts, 2 screws here, and then we have to loosen the cable of the speedometer. 10 years ago I could do it by feeling just behind the dashboard and doing the right moves, but now I've forgotten all the right moves, and it won't go. So I will have to look it up how to do that, and then I will have to pull out the dash very carefully and look at the wires behind it. I also removed the hood release lever that you can see here. Here it was. And I will show you here. And the pin was very difficult to remove, but I had to remove it in order to get the dash down more easily. And now I have to loosen the cable of the speedometer. That's the next job. To remove the light button, there is a little knob that you have to push in, and I will mark it here, and then you can pull out this black lever here of the lights, and then you can unscrew the bolt inside where the knobs sets. There you can see it, like that. Turn it to the left, and then the knob should come out. I will show it when it when it does. So this is the little button that you have to push in for, you see, you can push this in in order to remove this light button out of here. And then you can unhook the vacuum lines, and then you can pull out this button to replace it. Okay.
No. Ja, sorry.
Zeker. Ja. Je volgende deur. Oh, dat is goed zo. Ja, moet je gaan kijken. Dankjewel. Back on its place. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Hit the bell icon if you won't miss out on any future new videos. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.